So I've been together with Rebuilding Together South Sound for about 3.5 years now. It's a nonprofit where we help out low-income homeowners in Pierce County and South King County do repairs to their homes. It's been a great time working here. I really enjoy being able to serve the community like this. So Karen had applied a long time ago for things like her electric panel and her roof, and when we came we saw that she needed a lot of other repairs too, but we knew if we came and helped her we could only do the roof because of how much the funding would cost. And so when I heard about the Halo project, I was very excited to nominate her for this so that Guardian Roofing could do the roof for her, and then we could come through and do the rest of the work. So now we're able to complete a lot more work at her house and really transform her home that she's been living in for a long time now. I believe it's 50 years is what I remember. So, and just over time they've had a lot of deferred maintenance at her house, you know, where she couldn't keep up with stuff anymore after her kids moved out and she's aged, and so now we can really come through and help transform it to be a safe place for her to age into. So Karen's worked at Goodwill for 30 years, and so she's been giving back to the community that whole time. And so we're really happy to be able to be working with her to help her out because she's such a hard worker, and now we can just give her that little bit of boost to really keep her house well put together, safe and warm. You know, it's so important to keep people happy, and it's so good to be able to get back to the community for somebody who herself is giving to the community.